Daniel woke up to the sound of his alarm, 6:45 a.m. Just like always, Dacia vu, shrugging it off. He got dressed and stepped outside. The neighbor's dog barked. The same car honked 3 times at the intersection. A woman in a red coat walked by, dropping her keys. He frowned. That had happened yesterday, top, and the day before. His chest tightened. He rushed back inside, checking his phone. March 8th. Again, panic set in. He stayed awake all night, determined to break the cycle. But exhaustion took over, and his eyes slipped shut. Then beep, beep, his alarm. He screamed, and outside, the neighbor's dog barked. The car honked 3 times. The woman in the red coat dropped her keys. He stretched, went to the bathroom, and splashed cold water on his face. But as he looked in the mirror, something felt wrong.